I am Hammurabi, and I lived in an era when the world was still finding its way. Born into a noble family in the ancient city of Babylon, I felt a calling deep within me from a young age. It was a calling to serve my people and to bring about a just and fair society. As I grew, my hunger for knowledge became insatiable. Babylon was a place of culture and learning, and I eagerly embraced every opportunity to expand my understanding of our world. I delved into the histories and traditions of our land, and I studied the ancient laws that governed our society. I was consumed by a profound belief that a wise and fair ruler could lead our people to greatness. I saw a future where prosperity and harmony could be achieved through compassion and justice. This vision drove me forward, and I knew that I had a role to play. When I ascended to the throne, I wasted no time. My greatest accomplishment was the creation of a comprehensive legal code, which we now know as Hammurabi's Code. I had it meticulously inscribed onto a towering stone pillar, ensuring it would endure as a testament to my commitment to justice. But my rule wasn't just about laws and decrees. It was about understanding the needs and concerns of my people. One day, a distressed farmer appeared before me, his eyes filled with despair, recounting a tale of injustice at the hands of a wealthy landowner. My heart ached for him, and I knew I had to act. "Justice must prevail," I declared, summoning the landowner to my court. After careful consideration, I ruled in favor of the farmer, ensuring his land was rightfully returned. Joy swept through Babylon, and word of my wisdom and fairness spread far and wide. As the years passed, my reputation as a just and compassionate ruler continued to grow. Leaders from neighboring lands sought my counsel, and my code became a beacon for future civilizations. Yet in my heart, I never lost sight of my duty to my people. I initiated projects to improve irrigation and infrastructure, extending prosperity to every corner of our kingdom. My life serves as a testament to the belief that one individual's unwavering commitment to justice and fairness can shape the destiny of a nation and inspire generations to come. I am Hammurabi, and my legacy endures in history and the hearts of those who benefited from my rule.